Okay, so we just got done from a car wash. Let's see how much water has come through. A little bit of water here, a little bit here just through the edges, but mainly, as you can see, jump up in there. A lot of water here, which comes out into the sides as well. The whole bed over here is wet. And again, this is normal. I don't have any gaps in my tonneau cover, but there is a seal, I'm told. If you take off this cover trim right here, if you take that off and add a seal between that glass and the cover right there, I'm told that it'll stop water intrusion either when it's raining outside or you're going through a car wash. So let's install that and see if it makes a difference, because this sucks. Okay, so the screw that we have to take out is that one on the left side, that one on the right side. We got our T30 here, so I'll get that out. I have a rag stuffed here because the last thing you want is that screw to fall in between the gaps here. And you're not going to be able to get that out. But we'll get that screw out on each side, and then we'll be able to take off this piece right here and add the seal that we want to add to prevent the water from coming through. All right, so we have the cover off. As you can see, mine has no stripping. I know some people have had like a foam insert here, but we have no weather stripping here at all. So we're gonna go ahead and put the stripping along this edge, and hopefully we get no water intrusion during rain or car washes. Okay, so we've got the seal here. Just paste it alongside the edge here, all the way up to the end. So got it all on, super easy to get on. And let's do a test fit. All right, and then when we do the test fit, seal gets pressed right over there. So you kind of can't even see it through here. But the test fit is going just good.
I gotta go take a left step.
The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take over whatever leftover seal I have and just kind of put it on the side over here and see if that maybe helps make a difference, because when you do put it on, there is just this gap right here. So maybe filling that gap up will kind of help, but might as well. All right, so we've got the seal. Noticeably, you can see here there's no more gaps, but I don't know how much the sides really make a difference, but we've got the seal all the way up to here. And yeah, the seal is mainly, this part was already here before, but seal is mainly below this. You can kind of see it right over there. So you see the seal right over here underneath this part. And just add a little bit to the sides as well. So let's see how the next wash goes, if the water gets through. Okay, just got back from a car wash. Car's a little bit wet after driving it back home. But the true thing I want to see is whether or not the bed let in water through the tonneau cover. Let's get this unlocked. All right, moment of truth. water here, which is normal. And okay, a lot less water, but still water nevertheless through the sides over here. So we've got a little bit of water in the bed, not too crazy, but just a heads up, even after doing the seal, there's a little bit of water. I could potentially put maybe one more over here along this surface, and then it looks like this water comes in through, I'm not really sure, maybe through here or something. So yeah, this is after the seal. Again, a lot better than before, but still a little bit of water. I think I can live that one. Okay, just wanted to add more to this video. I did add one more seal up top here, just because when I had a tonneau cover issue, they readjusted my tonneau cover, and ever since they did that, one of the last strips shows the gaps in between, like the holes. So I added this just in case some more water would be getting through that side. So let's see if that helps. And I also wanted to show you guys this. I added a strip over here as well. And what this does is this, when you're off-roading, fills up the gap in between the bed. Otherwise there's a huge opening, and now you can still see there's a little bit opening there, but it does a pretty good job of closing this gap up, because when you go off-roading, a ton of dust and dirt gets sucked into the bed, and they just like runs in here, and everything gets super dusty. So yeah, I just wanted to minimize the dust getting through by sealing that off. So I think that looks pretty good. I might even add another seal over here, we'll see. But yeah, just want to show you guys that, add that to the last part of the video. And let's close the tonneau up and see. So yeah, before there was a gap, a more pronounced gap where you can see the holes in the cover, but now hopefully this will minimize any more moisture or water getting through during a car wash or rain. So we'll see how it performs. But yeah, I'm liking this seal right here as well. Very cool. All right, see you guys on the next one.